Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will look at how to use a table or to convert data into a table form using Excel. Why would we want to convert our data into a tabular form? Number one, data converted into a table form is going to fix the data in such a way that the data can no longer be moved in any indiscriminate direction. For instance, if I click on this cell, I can move that particular cell and whatever is contained in it, out of the column or the row. This cannot happen if this data has been converted into a table. The other reason you want to convert a data set to table is that if you must prepare a chart or graph from your data, then such chart or graph, such data must have been converted into a table. So it prepares data for their eventual conversion or creation of charts and graphs from such data. So those are the reasons why you may want to convert your data to a table. And how do you do that? The table functionality of Excel is found in the Insert tab. If you click on the Insert tab, it opens up to reveal the table. This is the group that has to do with tables. All right. So when we convert our data set to a table, it also enables us to create a pivot table, which we will talk about towards the end of this particular module. So let us highlight the entire data range and then go to Insert button, Insert tab, and click on Table. A dialog box will pop up. Where is the data for your table? Is it from A1 to F22 as highlighted? Oh yes, I want the entire data sheet to be converted to a table, and I click OK. And then my table is automatically created. Now there are two things have been done automatically here. Number one, the data set has been fixed and converted to a tabular form. Secondly, you will see that automatically sort and filter function have automatically been introduced because Excel is already thinking ahead. Okay, if you convert this to a table, you may need to sort the data, all right, and then convert the sorted data into a chart or graphs or whatever else that you may want to do with it. So this is the importance of converting to a table. Let us look at other important things that we can do after converting a data set to table. Now, let me show you something that I want you to see properly. So if we, highlight the entire data set and then click on Insert, and please watch I want you to keep your eyes on this ribbon as I convert this data set into a table and see the transformation and the things that pops up. Okay, selected, hit table, and then OK. You will see that we automatically have this table format popping up, occupying the entire length and breadth of the ribbon. All right, from resize, do you want to resize your table? Do you want to rename your table? To these tools, do you want to summarize with pivots, or you want to remove duplicates? All right, or you want to convert this table to a range? Do you want to export the table? Do you want to create a header which is already created? Do you want the total row? Do you want the first column, last column, banded columns? In designing the table, these are table styles and options. And look at the different styles that you can apply to the table that you have already created. The moment you create your table and all these things pop up, you may want to remove duplicates. For instance, if you highlight the date, if you highlight this data, okay, and you hit on remove duplicate from, say, the type 1. So you want to uncheck every other column. So you want the duplicates removed from type 1. Let us see how that pans out. 13 duplicate values found and removed. 8 unique values remain. Note that count may include empty cells or spaces, etc. So in the first column, there are 8 duplicates which has been successfully removed by Excel using the remove duplicate function. Please note that when Excel removes duplicates, duplicate values are removed for the entire row, all right, irrespective of whether there are duplicates in other columns or not. If Excel identifies we are dealing with type 1, Excel has removed 8 duplicates from the entire data set, including other data in the row. So you cannot isolate a column and say you are removing duplicates. You are removing the entire data in the row where the duplicates are present. So let us Ctrl Z and go back. You can Ctrl Z to return to the default. How do you convert your table to range? Highlight the table and then click on convert to range under the tool group. Okay, so convert to range. Do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Yes, thank you. And then the table is, although still has the properties, the style of a table, but it is no longer a table because it has been converted to a normal range. You can see that the header, which is characteristic, of a table, has been reformatted. The drop down button have been totally and completely removed. So you can reconvert back to a table by highlighting and then reconverted to a table like that. Fine. So how do you change table styles? Already, when you have your table created, the style functionality just pops out. You can see different designs that you can pick here. Say, as I run my cursor through the different cells, you can see this is the light area, this is medium. Okay, then let's see if we can create other. These are different designs that you want to. Let's pick second row stripe. Okay, and click OK. As you can see, that's applied. So you can change your style as you so wish. Okay, styling has changed.